Hey guys, I'm back. Now, if you watched my video last night, there's one project. But looky here. What's this? An empty place. Which means it's time to finish fixing this Mantis. We all hadn't seen this thing in a while. Just been sitting in my shed for a good while. We are going to get it going though. Alright, I'm going to lift it out of here. We're going to take the carb off of it too today. It is. Now, get this thing to sit up the way I need it to. Make our own little jack stand here. Okay. So, that's obviously not a project, but okay. We're just going to take a few minutes, take the carburetor off, disconnect the valve, take the power bulb off, and save that. And we're just going to order a whole new carburetor, air filters, and spark plug all at once tonight. Let's go ahead and get this off of here. Come on, I just had it. Yeah. Okay. Guys, so, as some of y'all know, it does run. Let's take this off. Out of the yank. There was fuel in there. Okay, so we got all of these parts right here, guys. We got the air filter choke all together right here. Let's take the primer bulb off and salvage that, because we can use that on the next carburetor or on another piece of equipment. Oh, come on. So, let's see. I wish the carburetor was still good, but, This tiller's old anyway, so. Oh, and also, we need to get the transmission grease to the worm, as they call it, a worm gear. So. And I'll save this carburetor for parts because some of these parts are still good. Like this. I don't know if this primer system is any good anymore because it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. But we can save like parts off the carburetor. These choke, idler, speed right here. And other parts of the carburetor if I need it. But anyways, that's about it, guys. It's really not that hard. You just take the carburetor off, take the valves off. This is a switch. Needs a good power wash, as y'all know. Spark plug, air filter, and that's probably one of the other things you need. It's really paint's still good on it. But yep, that's gonna be about it, guys. Let me make sure where's my wing nut? Couldn't have gone that far, guys. Well, anyways. Oh, here it is. So, here's all the parts. Yep, so the Steel AC101, it's not the blower, but this guy right here, and this guy right here are the projects right now. So we will get working on these. This one maybe this week. We've got to order the parts tonight, and the HC101 late. But anyways, we will see y'all later. Bye.